how to find Little Caesars app safety policy in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to know the privacy policy for app safety on App Store? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to open up any browser and head over to the Little Caesars website. Then you can scroll down and you can see download on App Store option. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then a new page will open up. You can just scroll down and then here you can see app privacy option. So you can see all the information about what data is used to track you, the data linked with you, data not linked with you. And you can tap on learn more if you want to know more. And then you can see all of the privacy policy to ensure the app safety. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.